Today I'm cooking the ultimate seafood soup. As you can see here, I have crabs, fresh Dungeness crab legs, and Conch family. This will be the base for my soup. And I have here some pumpkin that I'm gonna process for it. I have some vegetables here, okras, scallions, and celery, and all my onions chopped here with thyme, garlic, that we're gonna start off with. I'm also gonna add corns, carrots, and some white yams. I couldn't find yellow yam today, so I've settled for the white yam. And that's a tender yam, so that will go in last. Okay, so just stay with me. Also gonna make some spinners, not a lot. And so just stay with me, family. I'll show you how that's done. Okay, so I'm pouring some hot water over my conch. Yeah, I already cleaned it, so I'm gonna just scald it off a little. This way I can cut it up. Okay, that's enough. That's nice and clean. All right. Okay, family, we're gonna cut this up. And I have my water over there already boiling. So let's start. We're starting with the conch so we can have that nice and tender for the soup. Okay, finish this off. I don't want it too small. Okay, that should be enough. That size is good size right here. So here I'm going to pour this in my water over there boiling. Here we go. And let this come to a nice. I'm gonna season that up while it's boiling. Here, just added the onions and spices there. Let that boil. Family, I'm now going to add, these are some baby shrimp, dried, and we're going to blend this up. So this is gonna add flavor. Okay, gonna pour that in. Now I'm gonna add the pumpkins. All that goodness can blend in with the conch. See, the conch is still a little not fully cooked, so I'm gonna let this cook down till it's tender before I add anything else. So stay with me and you'll see what's next. I'm gonna blend the pumpkin. I saved some to add to give the soup some beautiful color and more flavor. All right. Okay. Let me check on this conch. It's getting there. So now I'm gonna add this pumpkin in. Look at the richness, family. Yeah. I'm also gonna smash some of that pumpkin that I added before. So we get more color and flavor for the soup. All right, while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my powdered seasoning. This is just some Old Bay seasoning. Yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the Cajun one also. All right, that should be enough for now. Let's stir that in. Let that come to a boil. So I'm gonna just add some corns, some of the provision here. And along with the carrots, because they're gonna take a while to cook. So add the carrots and the corn in. Look at that flavor. Family, you could be here to smell this rich conch awesome soup today. Seafood soup. I'm gonna add all of these carrots. And we'll come back and show you what's the next step. Okay, I'm checking in. Looking good. Wow. Look at that, family. Let me add, if I can turn it a little low and add my dumplings in, little spinners. Wash my hand. Okay. I pinch these. I don't want them big, family. Size is good. They're good. Yeah. I'm checking in, family. Everything looking good. Coming along. So I'm gonna add some celery. Build up some more flavor and scallions. Okay. Let that boil. And then I'm gonna add the white yam. These are very soft, so just gonna drop them in. I want my okras overcooked. So I'm gonna remove that okra. I'm gonna drop the fish and this last. Here I need extra water, but I'm gonna use some vegetable broth to build it up. Yeah. Now we're gonna add our crabs. Add the crabs. It's already seasoned. This is why I didn't add any salt earlier. This is already seasoned up nicely. Let me taste. I'm gonna drop some pimentos, some allspice, family. A little more. Along with my fish, not least. Okay. Drop that in. Here's my garden pepper, this one. And the okras, family. And that's it. Cover that up. Let that slowly taste. So family, here it is. This is the ultimate seafood soup in Shirley's kitchen. So I'm gonna share and show you guys what it looks like plated. Let's get some corns going. Conch. Get the conch from the bottom. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Here it is. Get some crabs. And put some more soup. That looks good. Let's add the okras. Okay.
Is this mine or theirs?
This is mine. Family, here is the soup. This is the ultimate seafood soup. So I'm gonna taste this for you guys. Lord, let me bless this food in Jesus' name. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. The pumpkin, the conch. Look at this crab leg family. Whole cluster. But most of all,
It's the conch.
the conch family. Awesome. The conch is tender and very tasty.
Best seafood soup I ever had.
Yes, this is the
Delicious.
ultimate one.
Ultimate indeed.
Okay, family. If you have stayed this long with us, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.